Welcome back to another video here on Dirt Hammers Off-Road Media, and today in this video I'm going to introduce you to the 2015 Jeep Wrangler JKU that I purchased. And this vehicle is going to be used for a lot of my new upcoming content in 2019 as I prepare and build the Jeep for overland travel, camping, things of that nature. So if you stick around, we'll take a closer look at the Jeep as it sits today, as I bought it. And then, of course, future videos will roll out as I, make changes, add parts, accessories, things of that nature to make it more capable for overland travel, camping, things of that nature. So stick around and we'll get to it.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.